2, baby. It's just 2 minutes. Your 2-minute tech tip starts now.
Yes, LivePlan. We love LivePlan right here at AdvisorFi. LivePlan is amazing. But you know what's not amazing? Quick books. What in the world? Looks like my own channel is censoring what I'm saying. Quick books. I can't even say it. I can't even say the word, but I could say LivePlan. All right, so today in this video, we're going to talk about amazing business planning software. Man, is business planning a hassle. There are a lot of small business owners or just business owners in general that would love to create a business plan. They go to Google, they type in business plan PDF or business plan Word document. Those days are long gone. You don't need that stuff.
Stop it. Get some help.
Don't go to Google. Stop going to Google and downloading these terrible business plan documents. And so in this video, we're going to cover what LivePlan does, why we recommend that you should use it when you're trying to create a business plan for yourself. But we only have 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. Okay, so here are the basics. What is a business plan? So a business plan is a document that sets out the business's future objectives and strategies for achieving them. As a business owner, in your mind, you know what you want to do, but you want to formalize what you're doing. You want to put in writing or put in some sort of document how to achieve those goals. And a business plan will let you do that. A business plan is also a roadmap for your business that outlines the goals and the details and how you achieve those goals. All right, so how does LivePlan work? It's extremely easy to use. It's simple, it's user-friendly. If you're not good with technology, LivePlan is really, really kind to someone who doesn't know technology a lot, especially when it comes to trying to build a business plan and the financial side of the business plan, forecasting numbers and that kind of stuff. So number one, it lets you test your business idea. So LivePlan is built in such a way where it lets you model your idea, even financially and with ideas, how your business may work. Number two, it helps you step by step complete a business plan designed to wow investors and lenders. The LivePlan has an amazing ability to present the information very simply and gives you things such as the pitch, where you can show a little infographic to your investors or your lenders that is designed to wow them. Number three, it helps you track your progress easily. So LivePlan integrates into things like Zero or Quick, and inside LivePlan, it helps you track your milestones and your progress as you're trying to hit your goals as a business owner. Now, what are some of the features inside LivePlan that we like here at AdvisorFi? Number one, LivePlan provides an awesome way to display your business plan. We love this. So it's called the pitch. So if you've ever seen an infographic that simply displays kind of statistical information, LivePlan does the same thing with your business plan. Number two, LivePlan integrates and syncs in with Zero, where you can stack LivePlan on top of Zero and LivePlan will fetch your financial data. Number three, LivePlan provides error-free financials and it's in the SBA, Small Business Administration format. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys would check out LivePlan. There's a link in the description below that will tell you more information on how to sign up for LivePlan. We absolutely love LivePlan. So stop playing around when you're trying to create a business plan. Stop going to Google. Stop downloading these crazy documents. Go to LivePlan.com. Pay whatever their monthly fee is. Get yourself into amazing technology that allows you to create really nice business plans so that way you can close lending deals or close investors or quite honestly, wow your business partners. LivePlan is definitely it if you're trying to create a business plan from scratch or you've been in business for a while and you're trying to create a business plan because you want to strengthen your roadmap and achieve those roadmap goals. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you guys at the next video.
Wow, that was the best 2 minutes of your life. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully we were able to answer all your questions with our 2-minute tip. Be sure to subscribe by clicking the button below and check out this video over here for our latest release and that playlist down there for our best playlist. And we'll see you guys at the next video.